When you stop and think about it, what is life and what's it for? You are here for just a moment, and then gone forevermore. And all the kind and smiling faces that you sadly leave behind, one by one they get extinguished like fine embers in the wind. When you stop and think about it, who brought you here and the reasons why, no one truly knows the answer till the day they move on. Did you use your time here wisely? Made a difference and stood tall? Did you share your love and kindness? Or did you play and waste it all? When the journey's finally over and you're standing all alone, stripped of money and possessions, and leave this place with just your soul. Is there light beyond the darkness? Will there be a pearly gate? Will your loved ones come to greet you? The answer lies in your faith. When you stop and think about it, who brought you here and the reasons why, no one truly knows the answer till the day they move on. Nothing in this world's forever. Even time will cease to be. Is it any wonder we become just a fading memory? Did you use your time here wisely? Made a difference and stood tall? Did you share your love and kindness? Or did you play and waste it